What's up, guys? Welcome to the Creative Locker Podcast. My name is Aaron Berkshire, and I am a six-figure content creator, full-time entrepreneur, and I just want to share my love with you guys and share any tips and knowledge. And I appreciate anyone who checks out this channel and follows me on the social medias and subscribes to my YouTube. I appreciate you guys. So let's get into today's topic. Today's topic is going to be writer's block. Do you ever just feel like, as a content creator, when you open all these apps and you look at what everyone's creating, do you just think like, wow, I can't do any of this today? As much as you want to be able to go out and go take landscape photography or shoot some sports or do something, and you just like can't go physically do anything, and you think, man, I just want to create some content some way, somehow today. Guys, I'm here to tell you that there is a way, somehow, just as easily as me creating this video right now, talking about the stress of it, of what I can create, whether it be like in photography and videography, or a blog, or a YouTube video, or a podcast. If you want to be a creator, there are so many things out there that you can do. Today I want to talk about not being able to think of anything and just figuring out a way to do something. Edit something, create something from scratch, set something up in wherever you are. Just do something, and I promise you will feel better about wanting to create something. Whether it's the greatest thing or not, you're gonna feel good about creating something when that's all you're thinking about while you're just sitting in a computer chair or just sitting in a chair staring at your phone thinking, man, today I want to create some content so bad. The answer is just get off your butt and do it. Guys, there's so many different ways to create content. It doesn't have to be just being a photographer or a videographer or someone that's in a media, art form of creating content. I watch YouTubers that talk about football, and I watch YouTubers that talk about all kinds of things. And just that alone is creating content. You have to remember, sharing any kind of knowledge or anything that you know about it with the world is creating your form of content. And you just have to honestly believe in yourself and know that the knowledge that you're sharing is something that someone else doesn't have yet. And I mean, that's pretty much what's going on with apps nowadays, like TikTok, right? Reels and TikTok, everyone is just sharing their knowledge, and that itself is creating content. And I honestly love watching it, and I love scrolling it. And sometimes it can be overwhelming, making me feel like, man, I just want to get off my butt and create some content. Being a photographer and a videographer, I've been doing it a lot longer than people might think I have been. I started 7 years ago, and when you've been doing this for 7 years and you've been doing it as much as I have, pretty much the last 4 years, being completely through the doorway of taking it so seriously, where I didn't have a regular job and I just wanted to create content full time and get pretty much as much money as I can, you run out of ideas, you run out of things to create on the daily, to completely just keep it going every single day. And it is hard, and somehow I've managed to stay on Instagram for years now, posting pretty much every day without a break. And sometimes it is a stress, and you overanalyze things, and you just gotta don't overthink it, because even if it's just one set of new eyeballs that sees your stuff, that should be good enough, just for one day at a time. And maybe one day you'll get to where you want to be with it. So I appreciate you guys listening to this episode. I'm gonna start doing this more often. You guys let me know topics in the comments, or message me on any social media platform. Let me know topics that you guys want to talk about. Today I wanted to talk about something so bad, and I wanted to do a podcast episode, and I just couldn't think of anything. So I thought, why don't I talk about writer's block and how creating content on a daily, you can get burnt out, and you just have to find a way to push through it and create something, just as me creating this video talking about it. So I appreciate you guys checking this video out, or checking this podcast out, giving it a listen. If you would, help me out, subscribe below. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.